Had this washing machine for 5 years. It's decided to stop spinning. I suspect the brushes might be worn out on it, which would be no surprise since it's done more spin cycles than Lance Armstrong. So I'll have to pull it out and see what's going on. Right, I've pulled out the washing machine a little bit here now, and what you have to do is pull out the plug. See, I've disconnected the plug and disconnect the water supply and the waste pipe. We can go any further. Make sure before you disconnect the water supply from the back here, make sure the water's turned off on the tap, or you just have water spraying everywhere. So I want to avoid that. So I'll do that now, and then we'll be good to go. Right, here we go now. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, so just screw this off. That's it. You might get a little bit of water trickling out, but it shouldn't be too severe. Either way, it's nice to have sort of a basin or bucket on hand just to throw it into, so you don't have a bit of a mess to clean up when you're finished. That's not too bad, that's good. The next part of the procedure is now to remove these 7 screws from the back panel and take off the back panel. One's falling out all by itself, that's helpful. And there's one that's not holding anything on the other side. Comes straight off there, I'll remove this one. There you are. That's it now. Onto the works now. Next thing I have to do is remove the belt. It'll just come straight off, you just sort of do this. Right. As you can see, it's intact, so it wasn't a problem anyway. Now we've done that, just going to have a closer look. What I have to do now is remove these 2 bolts. They're 2 long bolts that go on all the way in and hold this motor on to the body, and once they're out I can slide it out and then I can gain access to the brushes, which we have to do. I'm going to proceed any further. this out now. Sometimes the motor needs a wee bit of persuasion to come out. We need this long flat screwdriver to get in behind, to give it a little pry, to give it encouragement to come off. With a bit of prying, I managed to get that off. And the next thing is disconnect this. It's a plug and a little earth wire. That's the motor off. So into the next phase now. With the motor successfully removed, you can see at the back of the motor the brushes are screwed in on either side with 2 screws. There's also a little wire at the back to pull off. It's on the wee spade terminal. The first thing to do is get the screws out, get the brushes off. That's in now. Right, now the old brushes are off. You can see the difference between the new brush that I'm going to install and the one I'm taking out. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this one in. You can see there's 2 holes here. These plastic plugs they slot onto. You need to be careful not to snap this off. You're installing it as well. That's tricky too. It's in position now, that can be quite tricky, but that's that done now. Just put in the screws. Put on the wire. That's one side done. You just do exactly the same on the other side. The next step is getting the motor slid onto the 4 pegs in the bottom of the washing machine. 1, 2, there's 2 further in as well. These 4 slots and the motor slide in. That's what it looks like when it's slotted in. Next you put on these 2 screws. And here. And here. Tighten them up. Now that's done. And this wee plug here. Into the motor. There's a wee earth lid as well, has to go on. Goes on at the bottom to that there, on there. refit the belt. That's too far in. Get the belt run roughly in the middle of the plastic pulley, so it's not catching inside or anything. That looks pretty good. Now it's time to put the back on again. Right with the belt on. That plug in the earth wire attached, you're ready to put the back on again. You get the idea, put in the screws, tighten all up. Next step is reattach the water hose and the waste pipe. What we'll have to do now is reattach the waste pipe onto the sink, plug it in, turn on the water, then we should be good to go. Right, with the power on, everything connected, the water switched on, everything where it should be. We'll try and get this thing to spin now. Making noise, isn't it? Oh yes, she's alive. Let's say you put a new set of brushes in the washing machine.